Hello. Are you an interior or exterior home improvement or other home services professional looking to get new business without being nickel and dimed? Well, you've come to the right place. Westchester Home Services is dedicated to putting your service-based business in front of nearly 1 million Westchester County residents looking for the type of services you provide. From interior design, general contracting, and remodeling, to landscaping and roofing, even real estate, your services are needed by thousands of homeowners countywide. The team at Westchester Home Services has pledged to work hard to give your business greater visibility and will strive to deliver fresh business leads and new customers to your business using the latest proven online marketing techniques, systems, and strategies. Would you like to get started? We'll make it real easy for you with our latest cost-saving promotion. Just create an account and add your photos, videos, brochures, special offers, and other essential business details, and then let us do the rest to help you showcase and promote your home services-related business to potential customers looking for you. More leads, more calls, more customers. Get started now.